This video will show you how to create a new Screen API Builder project. Screen API Builder projects are used to record a series of actions from your green screen application. To begin, open up the Workbench, which you installed in the previous video, and select File, New, Other. Select Screen API Builder Project NextGen and click Next. In the project name field, enter a name for your project. In our example, we will name the project Training. In the protocol field, select 5250 to create an IBMI project and then click Next. Enter the host name and click Finish. A dialog box is displayed the first time you create an API Builder project. Click Yes to open the perspectives that are associated with the project type. Now that we've created a project, our goal is to retrieve the full name of an IBMI username. To retrieve this information, we will create a single-stage microflow. From the Resource Explorer view, click the name of the Screen Builder project we created in the previous step, and then click the Create Single-Stage Microflow icon from the toolbar. In the dialog box, in the File Name field, enter the name that you want for your microflow. Click Finish. The emulator view displays in the Workbench. The next step in the process is to record the actions that are taking place on your application. From the Actions pane, click Record. Each screen will be given a name automatically, but you can change the name to something more meaningful if necessary. If you want the Workbench to always generate a name automatically, select the checkbox and click OK. To begin recording your screen, enter your username in the username field of the Sign On screen. In our example, we are using a demo account. In the password field, enter the password and then press Enter. On the main menu, enter the following command and press Enter. Once you've recorded your initial actions, you'll want to add an input variable for the username. Enter the username and click the Input Variable button. By default, identifiable fields are highlighted. Click the username field that is highlighted in red to indicate that it is a variable, and then click the Input Variable button again. In the dialog box, enter the variable name in the field. In our example, enter username. In the temporary value field, enter a value that is applicable to the variable that you entered previously. For our example, enter JDoe. Click Finish. After you've added the input variable and pressed Enter, the full name displays on the screen. We then need to create an output variable. Click the Output Variable button. Unlike the previous step, the emulator view does not recognize the field automatically. To manually identify a screen, complete the following steps. Click the Show Matching Screen button and select the screen definition displayed in the dialog box. Click the Visual Fields tab and then click Identify Fields from the toolbar. Click the full name of the user to display the Add Field dialog box. Enter a name that corresponds to the field that you are identifying. In this case, we'll enter full name. Click Finish and then save the screen. Close the Visual Fields tab. You will now notice that the emulator has the field you identified available. Select the field and click Add Output Variable. In the Variable Name field, enter full name. Click Finish. Next, press F3 to return to the main menu, and then enter Sign Off to return to the Sign On screen. From the Actions pane, click Stop to end your recording. To replay the transaction you just created, right-click the first action in your recording and select Run to Line. The emulator view will display the actions as they would appear on your screen. Now that you've created a Screen API Builder project, you're ready to move on to creating an API Gateway deployment project and running a live test. Please proceed to the next video.